They said only skinny girls can dress well. I just remember the sales associate, ooh, we'll cover her up better. We'll hide the stomach better. We'll hide her arms better. That told me that I had to hide. That told me that I wasn't pretty enough. That told me that I wasn't thin enough. I just wasn't enough. Decided that I needed to be the role model I needed when I was younger. So I started my fashion blog and say, you know, it's fine to be the way you are. Don't have to feel sorry for who I am. I'm gonna do what makes me look and feel good. My style is unapologetic, 100%.
Sit down, baby.
I get stopped all the time by other women. I love your outfit. I love the way you did your hair, your makeup. That's the perfect touch to any outfit, is a beautiful dog. He is gonna look perfect next to my outfits all the time.